Let's start with a sweet Kaipola, a Malabari sweet. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Jacj Moses Kitchen. To make this beautiful Malabar snack, we need 3 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter, 30 grams of cashew nut, fry until golden color. Drain it, remove it aside. Onto the same ghee, 30 grams of raisins. Fry golden, let it pops up. Drain all the raisins from the oil, keep it aside. Plantain 500 grams diced. Fry on the same ghee. Stir fry the plantain. Transfer into a bowl. Let it cool down. By the time, let crack 3 eggs onto a blender. Half teaspoon of cardamom. A pinch of salt. 4 tablespoons of sugar. 1/4 cup of milk, all onto a blender. Blend until the sugar dissolves. Pour over the top of the plantain. Add half raisins and half cashew nuts to the mix and combine well. Onto a non-stick pan, brush some ghee or clarified butter everywhere. Pour the mix onto the pan. Spread it everywhere. Topped with the half raisins and cashew nut. Heat a cast iron skillet. Cover the non-stick pan and place the pan on top of the hot cast iron skillet. Cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Remove the lid. It will be perfectly cooked. The time may change with the thickness of the Kaipola. Flip it, cook for 30 seconds. You will get a beautiful soft Kaipola like this. The Kaipola we made, it's ready. Just enjoy and eat. And subscribe my channel, Jacj Moses Kitchen. Bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you try it.